Thanks for tuning in. Today I'd like to answer the question, what are the international coverages that I need to think about for my mission sending organization? It's a very unique wrinkle that's a part of your operation, that a lot of what you do is not going to take place inside the United States, and a lot of the insurance that you buy inside of the United States stays inside of the United States. So if you're traveling to Haiti or Guam or even Puerto Rico, you need to think about whether or not you have the insurance that will travel with you. So I'd like to go through a couple of the categories that you need to think about. First would be foreign general liability insurance. If you're going to be sued for bodily injury or property damage in a foreign country, you'll want to have money for an attorney and a settlement in that foreign country. Second would be contingent auto insurance. If you own a vehicle or if you're renting vehicles in a foreign country, it's important to have auto insurance. Sometimes it's better to buy it inside the country, but sometimes you want to have something that is uniform across all the countries that you operate in. Third is foreign voluntary workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation insurance that you buy inside the United States will travel overseas for a very short period of time. It's not defined in the policy. So if you have missionaries or employees that travel overseas for any extended period of time, it's important to think about whether or not you have workers' compensation insurance that will cover those employees while they're overseas. A fourth category to think about is kidnap and ransom coverage. And this is really important depending on which countries you're going to. For example, some South American countries, kidnap and ransom is big business. And so it's the way I always think about it is, if I was running an organization and there was a kidnap situation, would I want to be the hostage negotiator, or would I want to have an insurance company that had people that used to work at the FBI on staff? And the last one to think about is trip travel insurance, which is covering your bags, cancellation. It's medical bills if someone gets hurt overseas. So those are 5 things to think about that are international coverages that your mission sending organization should be consider. And please keep in mind that some coverages will not extend overseas with most programs. Coverages like sexual misconduct and counseling and employment practices liability, it can be very difficult to procure coverage that goes worldwide. So I hope this has been helpful thinking through the insurance and risk management issues you have internationally for your mission sending organization. And if you have additional questions, please check out our content and resources at www.bitnerhenry.com. I'm Daryl Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.